the 5 best hot water systems for Canberra's climate. We'll be reviewing solar hot water, electric storage, gas storage, continuous flow hot water, and heat pumps.
Don't make a mistake choosing the wrong hot water systems. We've been installing hot water heaters for the last 30 years. Read our reviews to find out why the Rheem and Aquamax range of electric storage hot water systems made it onto our list of the top 5 hot water heaters for installation in Canberra. We based our scores on their expected life, serviceability, value for money, and other factors that are important to all hot water heater users. After reading our reviews, you can contact us for an obligation-free quote to find a hot water system that suits you.
The Rheem Premier Highline Solar Hot Water Systems. The Rheem and Aquamax ranges of electric storage hot water systems. The Rheem Stellar and Aquamax 340SS and 390SS ranges of gas storage hot water systems. The Rinnai 26 continuous flow hot water system. And the EvoHeat 150, 270 and 315 ranges of heat pumps. For personalised recommendation or for more info, please call us on 044 88 44 911.